Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this tier tray for Christmas. Come on with me, guys. So I'm taking all the fall stuff down from my farmhouse tier tray. And then we're going to go ahead and find some stuff to decorate it for Christmas. And this is going to be so much fun. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this tier tray, and I'll see you at the end. Now, after I went ahead and wiped that tier tray down, I did get a lot of my Christmas ornaments to decorate this tier tray from Walmart. They have an amazing collection. We don't want to sleep on Walmart, guys. It is beautiful items that they have. So if it didn't come from Walmart, I can tell you it did come from Dollar Tree. So this was a very budget-friendly tier tray. And of course, my theme is gingerbread men. I absolutely love them. They're so adorable. Now, we certainly don't want to forget that they're also carrying the candy cane theme collection. So they do have, like I just placed there, the candy cane tree, along with some other items, guys. They're so beautiful. Now they do have ornaments for the smaller trees, and they are so adorable. And that includes the little mini poinsettia, and they come in, I think, 2 or 3 colors. I chose the red to place in this tray, and they're only 60 cents. Now, you know, I'm going to be moving things around until I like their placement, and then we'll head on over to the reveal. So this is absolutely adorable. I'm ready for the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.